Monday, start of the week. It's actually the afternoon because I've been busy this morning and I totally forgot to film. I've been doing some research on some UI UX for the profile of the user, where he can see all the reservations, change the profile information and all the basic stuff, but I wanted to do it right. So I did some research, and now at the moment I'm currently working on the data table of the reservations for the user. This morning I've been working on the admin panel where the owner can manage all the stuff, and I want to improve that table so I can use it on both sides. At 6:30 I have a call with potentially another client. Yeah, let's go back to work. I have 20 minutes to work a little bit more and then I have to prepare that call. By the way, my hair is going crazy. I need a haircut ASAP, but for the data table that I want to show on the user's profile and on the admin side, I'm using the tan stack table that it's used with Shadcn UI, and it's really powerful. I mean, you can do a really simple thing or you can do a really complex data table. I mean, I'm talking about row actions, pagination, sorting, filtering, visibility, row selection. It can be really, really complex, and that's the kind of functionality I want mainly for the admin. Okay, I'm done for today. It's 8 o'clock. I think it's time to go home. And yeah, let me show you what I did today. Okay, so this is the profile of the user. Here I need to adjust the position of the image so it doesn't look this bad. Then we take the information of the user from the database. This user will be filled in the onboarding, but if they need to change it, no problem. Then to request an email change, they have to click here. That's simple, it's not done yet, but why is this happening like this? Mainly because we need a valid email to send the reservations and the users to have access. The functionality is not implemented yet. Basically, we will send a token to that email. They will need to pass that token or click on the link that we will send. So we verify they have access to that email, and then we will make the change. Also, the phone is not mandatory, but I mean, it's nice to have a phone just in case something happens during the reservation process or something. Here you can fill the telephone number and you can change it to whatever you want. I don't know, I'm just typing numbers. And then same with password, that's really easy. And then the reservations, here are all the reservations that went through with the payment and everything. So let's create a new one. We can select let's say the 31. So yeah, we can pay. This is, by the way, this is a fake card that Stripe gives to you to test it. Okay, great. Now we can go to our page and an email should be on the way. So if we go here to profile and we go to reservations, we can see here there's a new, why? It was a problem with the time zones of the duration because it was 2 hours plus. So now it's fixed. It was just a simple thing, but I realized as soon as I was filming this. And yeah, now I'm working also on the license flag because some boats need license to drive. So here I will make just put an icon if needed, and just to make sure they bring it. And also on the admin side, here we can see all the boats that need to go out. So that's me. And by the way, yesterday, Sunday, I went for a run. So let me show you how it was. Really, really easy run. I mean, easy because of the pace, but it was a little bit hard for me to run again because I was ill most of last week. Good morning, guys. Tuesday, the 7th of May. And today I improved the functionality of booking a boat. For example, yesterday you could book a boat at 5 for 4 hours, and this means you will come back at 9, but that's not possible because the business closes at 7. So today what I did is, if you book at 4 and it closes at 7, so maximum you can book for 3 hours. I also improved the component on the admin dashboard. So when the admin logs in, he can click on the user and go to the user profile. After that, I designed in Figma in quite high fidelity prototype the landing page, and I'm starting to implement it. I haven't done much yet, but I can show you what it will look like more or less. Now it's almost 6 p.m. and I will go for a run. It's pretty sunny. Yeah, nice day. Someone going home. Last thing I did before going to run is this button here that will take care of the login process of the user in the website. I'm using Supabase for this, and so far so good. It has been super easy to use with a server-side package. It's really easy as well. Look, so all the auth is in the server side, so there's no delay. So when the page loads, the user session is already there or not, and depending on that session, we will show a different button. For example, if there's a session, that means the user is logged in, we'll show this button that will redirect the user to his profile. And if there's no session, that meaning there's no one logged in, we'll show a button that will take care of that. I mean, we will redirect to the login page and the user can log in and then create a session. So yeah, it's really easy, but being able to do that on the server side, I think it gives that extra speed that at the end of the day, the user notice. And the user experience in general using server side is, in my opinion, way better. Even though it takes more time because you have to create a Supabase client on the server and another one on the client, and you have to know when to use which one. If you understand this difference, I think server side is a great option.